So we start off today's video with yet another amazing hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist is working with curly hair for this one. Oh, so she gave her a blowout, beautiful layered bob style. Love the tousled texture that this has, absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have someone who is cutting off their hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob for this hair change. And she is cutting off quite a bit of hair here. Looks like she might be donating it. Ooh, beautiful, chic, effortless bob style. Absolutely gorgeous hair change. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone that looks like they are dyeing their pixie a pink color, and this is like bold bubble gum pink. Giving her a blowout, really creating a nice pixie style. A little bit of trimming here as well. Gorgeous, such a fun color to play around with. Next up, it looks like we have another pixie haircut change. Oh, the stylist does a blowout, and it looks like she actually got a pixie bob. The hair is longer in the front like a bob and then shorter in the back like a pixie. Or I would also classify this as a longer pixie style as well. Very popular hair trend for 2023. So then we move on to someone who has a great bob, very pretty silver color. Looks like the stylist might be doing a mini bob for this one. This is an absolutely breathtaking style. I think that the color really enhances her cut as well. And the mini bob is a great option if you are looking to go short, but you want to keep some length. This one does feature some longer bangs. Incredible. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.